Hello from me, Lazarus. Welcome to the next lesson in the course on creating a website from scratch. We are currently working on my second book, Building a Website from Scratch, 2024 edition, covering those CSS chapters that weren't included in the free edition. Last time we finished Chapter 9 and now we're starting Chapter 10. Let's open the PDF file. New features and functionality in CSS3. CSS3 is usually written in a ligature, but here I've written it like this for clarity. CSS3 has developed many new properties, functions, and modules that have greatly expanded its capabilities. A lot of new functionality has been added, that used to be only possible with JavaScript, but now we can do it with CSS3. We're starting to look at some of them. The first is colors in CSS3, new properties and additions. In Chapter 10 of the HTML section, we covered the basics of colors in HTML, but in CS3 new color models and properties have been added. So, we start with the HLS color model, which is very close to real-world colors. It consists of these three components, three parameters. The first in Bulgarian is translated as nuance, hue. It represents the degrees of the color wheel from 0 to 360. The second in Bulgarian is translated as saturation. It shows the intensity of the color. This is a percentage value from 0 to 100%. At 100%, we have no gray, we have a completely saturated color. At 0, we only see gray. We don't see any color. And the next one in Bulgarian is translated as brightness, illumination. It represents how bright the color is. A percentage value from 0 to 100. At 0 we have no dark black, and at 100 we have full brightness. Here's an example of a few colors, described this way, and here in the old ways. This model is much more intuitive for humans and is very suitable for creating shades of a given color. Instead of a specific example, I'll provide a link to the HLS calculator on W3 Schools, where you can set different values and see for yourself the result of this. This concludes this lesson, and in the next one we will look at two examples, which are about the transparency property. Best regards.